What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Here are 14 ways to improve your credit score quickly. 1. Get your free credit reports by filling out the form below. To obtain your free yearly credit report, you must call each credit reporting agency separately and make the following requests. 2. Check the information in your credit reports. Examine each of these reports carefully, making sure the following details are correct. Accounts and balances on credit cards. Information about timely payments. Payment history on debts. Accounts with outstanding balances. Accounts that have been closed. All reports have the same personally identifiable information, full name, address, SSN, date of birth, and so on. 3. If there are errors on your credit report, file a dispute. If you discover any problems, contact the credit reporting agency as soon as possible and work with them to submit a dispute. It may be required to establish a freeze or block on your Social Security number if there are charges you don't recognize. 4. Always pay your bills on time. When it comes to how to raise your credit score, the first step is to pay your rent and energy payments on time. Using your bank account to set up automated payments will help you remain on track. 5. Obtain authorization to use a credit card. Request that a friend or family member contact their credit card company and add you as an authorized user. You could see an increase in your credit score in as little as a few months with this method. 6. Pay off debts and accounts receivable quickly. Getting rid of school loans and other debt might help you improve your credit score. Making smaller, bi-weekly credit card payments rather than one monthly payment is a smart strategy to start chopping away at your debt. Automated payments can help you pay off credit card debt faster, which is one of the quickest methods to improve your credit ratings. If you have any accounts on your credit record that are in collections, lenders may be willing to accept a lower payment if you approach them with a repayment plan. 7. Notify the credit bureaus about your rent and utility bills. To have your rent and utilities reported to the credit reporting bureaus, register with Rental Karma. They'll process landlord and utility payment data, as well as up to 6 months' worth of historical data, and notify the credit reporting bureaus each month for a nominal charge. 8. Make a secured loan or credit building loan application. Obtaining a secured credit builder loan is another excellent first step in establishing credit. It works like this: you put a few $100s into a secured loan savings account, which the lender uses as collateral for a loan. You'll then make periodic payments until the debt is paid off, which will be recorded to the credit agencies. After the account is cancelled, the deposit is returned to you. 9. Fill out an application for a secured credit card. Obtaining a secured credit card is another excellent approach to begin rebuilding your credit. You'll usually deposit roughly $200 in cash or pay an annual fee into the guarded account. You'll be responsible for making timely payments each month. You'll get your security deposit returned if the account is closed in good standing, and your credit rating may improve. 10. Don't use more than 30% of your available credit. Make every effort to keep your credit card balances far below your credit card limit. The amount you owe in relation to your credit limit has a significant influence on your credit score. Even if you pay off your credit card bills on time, if your monthly credit card spending is near to your credit limit, it might hurt your credit score. If you can keep your spending below 20% of your credit limit, you'll see a significant improvement in your credit score. Stop transferring debt from one interest-free credit card to another. Moving credit card debt from one account to another may save you money on interest payments, but it does little to help your credit score. Instead, work diligently to reduce your monthly debt by saving money where you can. 12. Request a credit limit increase. One important step you may take is to ask for a larger credit limit on your present card. The goal is to increase the purchasing limit while spending less each month to improve the credit usage ratio. Note that this may result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which may cause a temporary reduction in your credit score. Keep your credit cards open. While it may appear that having fewer credit cards will help you improve your credit score, this is not always the case. Closing credit cards, in reality, might hurt your credit score since it involves losing a card's limit, which affects your total credit usage ratio. 14. Group your hard credit inquiries together. Credit reporting bureaus will normally treat your mortgage or credit card applications as a single inquiry if you bundle them together over a 2-week period. However, if you apply for a mortgage and then apply for a credit card 5 months later, your credit score may suffer as a result of the many queries. Small dents compound up over time, and they might have an impact on your interest rates. These pointers will help you begin on the right road to paying on-time payments, allowing you to plan for the future and achieve your goals. Now, go get that money.